Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Epsom in Surrey. Wanted to show you this combination garden room and store completed around June of this year, 2019. I'm just back in the area and thought I'd show you it. A couple of unique items on this one that we haven't done before. Firstly, I think this may be the first time showing you of a contrast colour. This is where we've kept with the anthracite doors, but actually we've done the rest of the building in a lighter grey. This particular grey is called signal grey. And that along with licorice decking, which is a colour from the Twinson. You can see down here that we've done, that's a composite decking we've done there. Really looks nice actually. I think it really works well. But if you don't want just that one solid colour, this is a nice combo. We've also done it with a jungle green in the anthracite. That also looks good. You can see here we got essentially UPVC doors on what we're going to call the front there. They're around about 3.1 metres wide in a 4.2 building. And then we've done the biggest slider possible. It's a 2-pane slider in the side there. So we've opened up the whole side, and that gives a lovely integration. When we go inside the room, the clients were just telling me here that the beauty is when you stand inside here and kind of sit around, you then don't even get to see the house. You just can enjoy the garden and fully integrate with that nice opening on the front and the side, leading out to the decking. And in the summer, this had some nice table and chairs there. So that's a really nice, nice sized building and room for that. But this is on the site of an old garage. So you can imagine here that used to be the garage. We've come out a little bit more, and that's the drive down there. So you see that solid bit there. What we've done, if I just come around the corner and pan back here, this is the drive. It used to be the drive coming down to the garage. If we just put a single door on that end, cement wall to the rest, and then that's used as the garden store. We've actually got a fridge freezer in there. We put some ventilation in there. Also got a tumble dry and some hanging rails. So there's your dry store there. So that just looks works really well. So a little garden shed essentially element to it there, and then combining that with the garden room are far better than a big old prefabricated garage that was on there with an asbestos roof. So just a really nice really nice alternative. Contrasts lovely with the white of the house. Yeah, there you go. So I think that's about all to show you. Brought in the electrics on this one. We've actually done like a mesh system with the Wi-Fi here. It's so close to the house we didn't need to hardwire it, and it's just a great all year round lined and insulated room with a great openness to the side and the front for enjoyment of the garden. If this kind of garden building or garden room's of interest, feel free to give me a buzz on 01444 247 192 or keep up to date on our socials. Thank you.